Children, with this exercise, we will learn the tricks of how to find out the answer of the subtraction quickly with the help of our fingers. Though it is a bigger number, two-digit number, then also we can use our fingers to find out the answer of this given subtraction. So let us see how to apply that tricks. Okay. Fill in the boxes which is given. That means in the box we have to write the answer. Yes, first number 29 minus 0. How to get quick answer? You have learned when 0 is subtracted from a number, we will get the same number. That means 29 minus 0 is equal to 29 only. Okay. Second number 46 minus 1. When 1 is subtracted from a number, then we will get the before of that number. Before 46, which number is coming? 45. So 45 will be the answer. Okay. This way we have to find out quickly. Number 3. 45 minus 3. That means you have to count before of it. So 85 minus 3. You have to count before 85 3 steps. Before 85, 84, 83, 82. So 82 will be the answer. Okay. Then 98 minus 5. Before 98, you have to count 5 steps. Before 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93. So 93 will be the answer. Okay. Now 10 minus 10. Now when same number is deducted from a given number, that means we will get the 0. That means suppose it is given 9 or we are having 5 chocolates and somebody has taken 5 chocolates from us. How many will be left? 0 will left. Same. I have 10 chocolates. Someone has taken 10 chocolates from me. That means 0 will be the answer. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. 66 minus 7. That means we have to move backward or before counting we have to do up to 7. Before 66 we have to count up to 7. Okay. Before counting or backward counting. This is 5, this is 7. Okay. So before 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60 and 59. So 59 will be the answer. Okay. Fine. Now 53 minus 4, same way we will count before counting 53, 52, 51, 50, 49. So 49 will be the answer. Okay. 35 minus 5, same way we will count. Before 34, we have to count up to backward counting 5. 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29. So 29 will be the answer. Okay. Fine. 17 minus 9. This is 9 in our fingers. 9 fingers, 5 plus 4, 9. So before 17, now 9 counting. Okay. 16. 15, 14, 13, 12, then 11, then 10, 9, 8. 8 will be the answer. Okay? Now 26 minus 2, this is easy one. Before 26, count 2. So 25, 24. Okay, 75 minus 5, again before counting 5 steps. 74, 73, 72, 70. No, I have counted wrongly. 75 minus 5, before 75, 74, 73, 71. This counting wrongly by 75 minus 5. Okay, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70. Now I have counted correctly. 70 will be the correct answer. Once again I am counting. 75 before 75, 74, 73, 71, 70, 72, 72, 71 and 70. Okay, so 70 will be the correct answer. Okay, 75 minus 5 equal to 70. Fine. Then 48 minus 7. Before 48, 7 counting. This is 5, this is 2, 7. So 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. So 41 will be the correct answer. Okay? Fine. Now 50 minus 9. Once again 9 counting. Yes? This is 5, this is 4, 9. So before 50 we have to count 9. 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. Okay? So 41 will be the correct answer once again. Then 81 minus 10. We are having 10 fingers in our hand. So before 81, 10 counting. 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71. Okay, 71 will be the correct answer. Okay, fine. 99 minus 9, same thing as I have done. 10 minus 10, same number when deducted. That is, answer will come always 0. Yes? Fine. 25 minus 5. Before 25, 5 counting. 24, 23, 20, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. So 20 will be the answer. Clear? So this way children, you have to also do this type of practice of how to count or how to find out answer in subtraction. With the help of our fingers we can count backward and we will get the answer. So please children, it is time, you are having time to do practice so that you will be also expert in doing all types of sum, not only subtraction, addition, multiplication, everything. Okay, please observe the video and do practice. Clear?